We are now on the Phedra website, a software that uses artificial intelligence to create the best images I have seen so far. I have tried other programs that work quite well, but sometimes had difficulty interpreting exactly what I wanted in the modified images. However, Phedra is amazing, as it seems to listen and accurately understand our instructions, delivering truly personalized results tailored to our needs. This software allows us to customize images to our liking, something that often requires hiring designers and spending days, weeks, and even multiple meetings until achieving the desired design. With the help of artificial intelligence, this process is greatly simplified. If you go to the Phedra page, you can find much more detailed information, but here I want to offer you a quick summary so you can get an idea of its functionality. Unlike other software that generates images from scratch, Phedra works from a user-provided image. It makes changes to that image and returns a result that aligns with what you had in mind. That's why I say it's like it really listens to what you want. Plus, on my blog and reviews page, you can learn more about how Phedra works and the bonuses I offer exclusively if you decide to purchase the software through my recommendation. By purchasing Phedra through my link, you will receive certain exclusive bonuses. The basic bonuses are provided by the developers and are available to all members of the area, but the additional ones you will only get with my referral. Continuing with the features, with Phedra you can start with any photo or design, describe the changes you want, for example, add people walking, and the software generates the image you need. Once it is ready, you can download it directly. I'll show you some practical examples. For example, you can change a woman into a man, add a mobile phone, or even change the color of her lips to blue. All of this is done accurately. Another example is starting from an image of a monkey and, using a prompt, transforming it into a dog, changing the color of its glasses, and adding a city in the background. Phedra does this efficiently and quickly, even modifying text within the image, something that many other tools fail to do correctly. Here are some more examples. For example, with a prompt that says "Get access to Phedra now," you can change the font style to bold, modify the background to a Christmas theme, or add elements such as Santa Claus with his characteristic hat. The results are surprising and, in some cases, even animated. Although they're not always perfect, the results are very natural, as in the case of a hand that, although it did not look quite right, looked very realistic. Personally, I will be using Phedra for the promotion of my new collections or candida. I find it a fascinating tool, and I will be using it a lot. The best way to understand how it works is by seeing practical examples. Changing a microphone for a tree, adding a beach background, or making the moon shine in the scene. All this shows that Phedra is a really interesting and useful software for those who are looking for customization and quality in their designs. Here we have testimonies like that of Mr. Lee McCormick, who is very impressed with this software. Something important to know about Phedra is that it works from an image provided by the user. From that base, the software makes the modifications that we indicate, adjusting to our needs. I find this fascinating because, unlike other artificial intelligences that generate images from scratch, Phedra allows us to customize them with greater precision, achieving exactly what we are looking for. For example, in my case, I plan to use Phedra to promote my books. I will use images of my book covers and mock-ups, asking the software to change backgrounds or add specific elements. It is a tool with many applications. You can use personal images, change backgrounds, modify text, and even perform advanced editing that other artificial intelligences do not offer. It understands all of this quite accurately. A practical example would be to transform an image of a beach during the day into a sunset. We just need to write a prompt in the language we prefer, even in Spanish or French, and Phedra perfectly understands what we want. We can also illuminate a cabin or add elements, such as a jet ski or a snowmobile in front of the cabin. We just select the area and write the corresponding prompt, such as "Add snowmobile in front of the cabin," and the software generates the desired result. In addition to these features, Phedra includes options such as removing backgrounds from images or adding elements in specific areas. For example, We can request that the lights of a cabin be illuminated in a night scene, and the software does so effectively. This level of customization makes it ideal for those looking for fast and precise results without having to go into complicated editing processes. Phedra offers different plans and additional features. For example, the main plan, called Phedra Pro, allows up to 100 transformations per month and has a 30-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't meet your expectations. This plan has a one-time cost of $7. The Ultimate package is also available, which includes all the software's additional features. The full funnel, for $137, which is quite affordable considering other funnels usually cost between $200 and $300. The Ultimate package includes features like premium templates, commercial license, and priority support. Plus, it allows for unlimited edits if you purchase the #1 add-on. It also features a Chrome extension to edit images directly from the browser without having to enter the app, and an integration with Canva, making it easy to edit designs directly on this platform. These tools make Phedra a very complete and convenient option. Finally, it is important to highlight that the #1 additional sale, the OTO #1, allows you to make unlimited transformations, whether you purchase the main offer, front-end offer, as the Ultimate package. This ensures that you can take full advantage of all the software's functionalities without any restrictions. If you want to use more than 100 transformations per month, you will need to purchase the #1 additional sale, OTO number. There are two options for this. You can pay annually, which will cost $297, but with a 50% discount coupon, which cuts the price in half. If you prefer to pay monthly, the cost will be $7 per month, and you will also have a 50% discount coupon, which makes it very affordable. If you find 100 transformations per month to be too few, then this upsell will be a must. With this option, you will be able to make unlimited transformations, allowing you to modify 150, 200, or however many images you need each month. Paying annually is much cheaper, so if you plan on making intensive use of the software, this option is ideal. It's important to note that these details are often unclear, and I wanted to make sure you have a good understanding of how it works. If you're an individual, a local business, a marketer, or an agency, the full funnel can be an interesting option. However, it's not always necessary, especially if you only need a limited number of transformations per month. One of the most attractive features is the extension for Chrome, which allows you to modify images directly from the browser. Imagine that you are browsing the internet and you see an image that you like, such as a photo of a beach. With the Phedra extension, you can change the background of the image, remove text, and add other elements, all quickly and easily. This is very useful and practical. Another interesting feature is the app that works with Canva. Since Canva is widely used today, this tool will make the work of those who already use the platform to design much easier. By integrating Phedra into Canva, you will be able to modify images even more flexibly, which adds a lot of value to the offer. In summary, Phedra's core plan is very affordable and functional. If you want to explore all the possibilities it offers, such as unlimited transformations and integration with other tools, then the full funnel can be a great option. However, it's only available during the launch, which is for a limited time, so it's important to act quickly if you're interested. As for additional bonuses that complement the software, you have several options that will help you take your business or agency to the next level. These bonuses are designed to maximize the use of Phedra and get the most out of it. I hope this information has been useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns about the software, please do not hesitate to contact me.